Now we will discuss about the unary increment and decrement operators. The unary increment and decrement operators used with single operand will increase and decrease the value of an operand by one respectively. Based on the position of its use, the unary increment and decrement operators are further classified into prefix and postfix. Yes, prefix. What is the prefix? When increment and decrement operators are applied before the operand, they are known as prefix. This operator works on the principle of change before the action. And postfix, just opposite of the prefix. This unary operators is used after an operand whose value increase or decrease by 1. This work on the principle of changing after the action. Now we will discuss the example of the prefix increment. In the prefix increment, first of all we will discuss that we have to use the operand before the variables. This operand, and the value of m is equal to 6. Now we will explain the example. Integer m is equal to 6. M is equal to increment, prefix increment m plus m multiply 4. Now the value of the m is given 6. Now this operand works on the principle of changing before the action. Means before the calculation of this expression, we have to change the value. Increase by 1. The m is 6. So then we will add plus 1. And the value of the m will be the now 7. So m, the value of the m is 7 plus then 7 multiplied by 7. Then 7 14 and 7 multiply 4, then 28 plus 7 is equal to 35. Now we will discuss about the prefix decrement. The value of the m, a is equal to given 7, a is equal to, now prefix decrement, this is the sign is the prefix decrement, plus 3 multiply a. Now this operator works on the principle of changing before the action. Suppose your increment, so then it will be increase 1, and suppose your decrement, so then it will be the decrement 1. The a value is 7. So now before the action, the value of the a will be 6. Now a is equal to, now prefix decrement plus 3 multiply a, the value of the a will be the 6 multiply plus 3 multiply a. So 6 3 are 18 and 6 plus 18 is equal to 24. Now postfix increment, the value of the d is given 8 and this is the expression c is equal to d. This is the postfix. After the operand we are using this sign, that is called the postfix increment. Then we have to see the principle of the postfix. This work is postfix, work on the principle of changing after the action. Means after the calculation, the value of the d will be changed. For example, c is equal to, the value of the d will be here same, multiply by 4. After the action means 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja 32, and then the value of 8 will be 9. Now 32 plus 9 is equal to 41. Now postfix decrement, the value of integer p is equal to 7 and q is equal to p. Postfix decrement sign. After the operand we are using this sign postfix decrement. multiply by 5 plus p multiply by 3. Now the principle of this postfix, this work on the principle of changing after the action, means after the calculation. Now the value of the p is same, multiply by 5, then plus, then the value of the p after the action is taken here, then the value of the p will be increased 6 here. So 7 multiply by 35 plus 6 3 18 and 53.